Extendable curtain pole fixing instructions. Position the brackets from the edge of the window. Mark and drill the bracket positions, making sure they are level. Rotate the clear insert on the bracket, having the large number 28 upward for the larger diameter pole width, and the lower number 25 for the smaller diameter pole width. Using suitable fixings, mount brackets in place. Extend pole to required length. We recommend that the pole extends beyond the end brackets to allow maximum light to enter the room when the curtains are open. If you're using the pole with rings, slide the rings onto the pole. Place the pole onto the brackets, positioning one ring either and between the finial and the bracket. If you're using eyelet curtains onto the pole, place the last eyelet at each and between the finial, and the brackets to act as an end stop. When opening or closing eyelet curtains, allow them to glide past the pole join. Do not pull the curtains downward when doing so. Place the finials over the pole ends. Note: separate diameter finials are supplied to fit the smaller and larger diameter pole end. Finials and other components may vary in style.